How to fix a Windows encountered a problem during graphics driver installation. NVIDIA Error Code 43. Let's fix it, guys. First, you just need to download the driver. Open up Chrome and search NVIDIA driver download and press enter. Select the first link. Select your graphics card model, GeForce. Select your series. Select your graphics card model. Select your operating system and select your language and select find option. And now, if you are a gamer, then download the game ready driver. If you are a content creator, then download this studio driver. I'm always be playing games, so I will download the game ready driver. Select the view and select the download option and download it. After getting download done, I just need to select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded driver and select the WinRAR option and select extract it to. After getting extract done, here is the folder extractor. And now you just view close and go to search flow and type device manager. Click on open it. Select display adapters and select action tab and select add legacy hardware and select next. Install the hardware that I manually select from a list and select next. Select display adapters and select next. Standard display types Microsoft basic display adapter and select next. Select next and select the finish option to install it. Right click on this we added and select update driver. Select browse my computer for drivers. Select let me pick from a list of available drivers. Select have disk and select browse option. And now you go to downloads and double click on the folder we extracted. Now you just need to double click on the display driver folder and here you just need to select the INIF file according to your laptop or desktop manufacturer. I will give you a list how to find that. Just need to select the INF file depends on your manufacturer laptops or desktop. In my case, I use ASUS, so I will going to select this INF file NVAMI NVAMI. Here is NVAMI and select open option and select OK. And now in this model, you just need to select the graphics card model. Scroll down and select the graphics card model correctly. If you use laptop, then select this includes laptop name and select next. After the installation done, you just need to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, open up File Explorer, go to Downloads and install this driver. Just install this driver just by double click on it and install it. Normally you install a game or any other drivers. After the installation done, our problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.